Okay, this is Araya. Okay, Araya. I'm going to fill these glasses up so they're the same. Whoa. Okay, you tell me when they're the same. Are they equal? They're the same? No? Which one needs more? Needs a little bit more?
Yep.
Is it even now?
I think this one is higher.
A little bit higher? Okay, so put a little bit more in here.
Mama, I'm gonna get a drink.
Are they the same? Equal? Okay.
It looks like it,
All right.
but this one looks still a little higher.
A little higher? So, okay, then we'll put a little bit more in here. Good? Perfect? Okay. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one of these glasses, put it into here. Now are they still the same?
Yep.
Why?
It's just a different container. But it looks higher because, I don't know.
Thinner?
Yes.
But it's the same amount of water, and you know that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Thank you.